Good morning, students. Today's topic is past perfect continuous tense, and I will teach you how to convert these kind of sentences into negative and interrogative form. Before teaching to convert it, you must know that what are past perfect continuous sentences. The past perfect continuous tense shows the actions that were ongoing in the past and ended before another past action. यानी कि वो वर्क पहले हो रहा था पास्ट में एंड अनदर पास्ट एक्शन के पहले वो एंड भी हो गया. मीन्स आई हैड बीन वेटिंग ऑन द स्टेशन. मैं स्टेशन पर इंतज़ार कर रही थी. व्हेन अप टू व्हेन समवन एल्स अराइव्ड और फॉर द पर्सन हु वाज आई वाज वेटिंग. राइट. सो हाउ डू वी मेक द पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस? दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर स्टूडेंट्स. देयर इज अ सब्जेक्ट इन अ सेंटेंस. Subject is always there. Then auxiliary verb had is there. Been plus ing form of verb. Right? The ing form of main verb is there in the sentence. In present, auxiliary verbs has and have were there and they convert into had in the past form. Present perfect continuous में has have auxiliary verbs थे. Past में now they are had. Okay? Now look at these sentences. These are few sentences of past perfect continuous tense. You can see that there is a subject in the beginning of the sentence, then had, not plus been and ing form of verb is there. Right? I had been working. I had not been working. It means you insert not after had. Right? हम लोग हैड के बाद नॉट लगाते हैं टू कन्वर्ट द सेंटेंस इनटू नेगेटिव एंड वी स्टार्ट द सेंटेंस विथ हैड टू चेंज इट इनटू इंटरोगेटिव. मीन्स हैड कम्स बिफोर द सब्जेक्ट एंड नॉट कम्स आफ्टर द सब्जेक्ट. हैड यू नॉट बीन एक्सपेक्टिंग और हैड यू बीन एक्सपेक्टिंग. हैड यू नॉट बीन वर्किंग और हैड यू बीन वर्किंग. मीन्स इफ यू स्टार्ट द सेंटेंस with had, not comes after the subject, and if it is a positive sentence, been comes after the subject. Right? Had you been, had you not been, these are the interrogatives. Now it is the example. How do we use the past perfect continuous tense? Right? कैसे इसको यूज़ करते हैं? I just gave an example in the beginning. Ram started waiting at 9 a.m. I arrived at 11 a.m. राम 9 बजे से इंतज़ार कर रहा था, मैं 11 बजे पहुंचा. मीन्स वॉट? ही वॉज वेटिंग फॉर 2 hours. राइट? व्हेन आई अराइव्ड राम हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर 2 hours. आप जब किसी को बताओगे तो क्या बोलोगे? जब मैं वहाँ पहुँचा तो राम पहले से 2 घंटे से इंतज़ार कर रहा था. तो राम हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर 2 hours. दिस इज़ द पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. ही हैड बीन वेटिंग फॉर 2 hours. Now this is another example. You can see उसी सेंटेंस को प्रेजेंट टेंस में आप समझ के you can convert it into past perfect continuous form. For example, when he was waiting since 9 a.m. and you arrived at 11 a.m. तो राम बोला I am angry, I have been waiting for 2 hours. When you arrived on the station, जब आप स्टेशन पर पहुँचे हैं उसके पास, तो उसने बोला मैं इंतज़ार कर रहा था 2 hours. I have been waiting for 2 hours. और जब यही बात आप अपने घर में आके किसी और से कहोगे और you will tell to your friend, you will say that Ram was angry, he had been waiting for 2 hours. Right? Now the sentence goes to past. जब आपने राम की बात आके घर में बताई और you told to your friends, you will tell it in the past form. Now see the sentence frames of these sentences. In assertive means positive form. There is a subject had been plus ing form of the first base form of verb plus the object. For example, she had been writing a letter. And when you change it into negative, I told you have to insert not after had. It will become subject plus had not been. She had not been writing a letter. And when you convert the same sentence into interrogative, you start the sentence with the auxiliary verb had had subject plus been means had she been writing a letter, and if you convert the negative sentence into interrogative, it will become had she not been writing a letter, means not comes after the subject. Okay, so this was all. Hope all of you understood. Thank you all.